Your goal of providing quality education, especially in this challenging time, is what ASUS truly admires and what we promise to support through our products and services. We believe that this partnership will provide for a more competitive generation of learners and teachers from your institution. Once again, welcome and thank you.
I'm looking forward to seeing both ASUS and Las Piñas City Technical-Vocational High School work together closely in providing better access to technology to better equip both our learners and educators alike.
We are deeply grateful to have a partnership with your company, ASUS Philippines. With this, we look forward to seeing the positive and uplifting progress in our school community and hope that you do so as well.